What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about NIO and how they just got a pretty massive price target raise today, and they have confirmed the construction of their new factory in China. We're going to go over all of the information that is surrounding NIO right now and a price target prediction for the next coming month. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so you get to stay up to date on all of the different information that you need to know about NIO for the coming weeks. So before we get into all of that information, if you guys enjoy this video, please go down and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. It really helps me get this information out to as many people as possible, and it helps me grow on this platform while you guys get to stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks and learn about a couple of new ones. So if we go over and take a look at the chart of NIO, we can see that it is up about 5.8% today, a very substantial amount. And over the past couple of weeks, we can see that NIO had a massive run up from the $44 range into the low $60 range due to its NIO Day announcements. Now, NIO had a lot of different announcements that it released on NIO Day, the first being their new ET7 sedan, which is going to be a direct competitor of Tesla's Model 3, and it announced a new battery, the 150 kilowatt hour battery that is going to have a range of 621 miles or about 1,000 kilometers, which is going to be very great because that gives NIO the top spot in terms of range out of all the electric vehicle companies in the world right now. They've also partnered with NVIDIA in order to produce their brand new autonomous driving platform. Now, NIO has also partnered with Mobileye to produce robo-taxis in Tel Aviv. So NIO is doing a great job with their innovation and coming out with new models that are direct competitors of the most competitive electric vehicle company in the world right now, Tesla. So the price target increase that NIO had received today was from Nomura. If we come over here, we can see that NIO shares rose Friday after analysts began coverage of Chinese electric vehicle company with a buy rating and an $80.3 price target. That is amazing. If we come over and take a look at the price of NIO right now, it actually is up now 6%, and the stock is trading at $61.90 about. Now, 80.3 is an unbelievable price target for this company. If you have held NIO from the very beginning, you are going to make so much more money if NIO goes all the way to 80. Now, let's go take a look at one of the other pretty interesting events that NIO has released. They recently came out and said that they have announced their second plant, and their second plant enters the construction bidding phase. So they are going to be producing an additional factory in China. Now, this is important because if we take a look at NIO's delivery numbers, we can see that they were up about 100% when you compare 2019's numbers to 2020's numbers. So now they're creating a new factory in China, and they're also creating a factory and distribution chain in Europe through Denmark. So if NIO can get their delivery numbers way higher throughout the year 2021, their valuation is going to go a lot higher. Now, as I've said in the past, when you try to evaluate these electric vehicle companies, it's not only the delivery numbers and sales numbers that give these companies such a high valuation. It's more about the technology that they are able to put in their vehicles. If we take a look at Tesla, Tesla is trading right now, they have a valuation at about over $1 million per car sold. So the cars are ranged between $30,000 and about, I think, $120,000 if you get the highest model possible. But that's absolutely insane. There's about $900 to $1 million worth of technological value baked into Tesla's valuation. NIO has also received some additional price target raises from other analysts as well, and these mainly came after NIO Day. If we come down a little bit further, we can see that JP Morgan analyst lifted his price target to 75 from 50. That's a 50% increase in price target. That is very high. And then we had a Deutsche Bank upgrade that went from $50 to $70, which is another additional about 40% increase in price target. And then we also had Credit Suisse raise the price target to 71 from 65. So these are very high upgrades. Now, the new high target among analysts covering NIO is $100 a share from Daiwa. Now, that's pretty aggressive. Daiwa has a pretty big position in NIO, so it's no surprise that they are giving NIO such a high valuation target. Now, we also saw Bank of America increase the price target to 70 from 59 after NIO Day. So NIO exceeded this $59 price target before NIO Day, and then we saw Bank of America upgrade NIO yet again after all of the information was released. Now, these are all great signs for NIO coming up in the near future. Now, I've said before in a couple of my other NIO videos that NIO is going to be having a consolidation period, because we can see that when NIO rips up, it kind of comes back down, makes a higher low, and kind of chills out before it goes up on a massive moon mission again. So we saw NIO go up to the $63 mark, and after NIO Day came out and all of the information had disseminated, we saw NIO fall into the mid $55 range, and I said that I didn't think NIO was going to fall below the $54 to $53 mark unless some very bad news came out, and I thought NIO was going to be kind of pinned in a range for a while unless some good news came out, and that was the key point that I was trying to get across, that unless good news comes out about NIO will stay in a range. Now, we saw today in this week, NIO got some pretty massive price target raises, and they also got their new factory in China confirmed. So that is why NIO is up 6% today and has broken into the $60 range yet again. Now, I think NIO could go a lot higher in the coming months, especially when they announce their delivery numbers coming out for this first quarter and the month of January. So those are going to be two important dates that we're going to need to look out for. I will give you that information once it becomes available. Now, I'm going to agree with this new price target of $80. I think NIO could easily get to the $80 price mark if they keep coming out with good news about the company. If some bad news comes out or they get downgraded after they have a pretty substantial run, NIO might have a little bit of a short-term pullback, but that is just going to be a really good dip to buy, as it doesn't actually reflect anything to do with the company of NIO, actually like the fundamentals of the company. It just has to do with the share price, and analysts might think that NIO is overrun and overextended at the current time, but that really doesn't matter. That'll be just a great dip to buy. Now, if we take a look at the option chain, I like to do a lot of option chain analysis when I look at stocks, and if we see on NIO, there's nothing really crazy that sticks out for the February 19th expiration date. Now, this is the monthly expiration that is going to be expiring on February 19th. Now, the highest open interest that we can see on NIO is going to be the $65 strike. Now, NIO is pretty close to that right now. I think NIO could exceed this $65 price point by this date. Now, it's not really going to be a big event coming up in NIO's near future. We're going to have the delivery numbers, but those are going to be very important, but we don't really know when those numbers are going to be released as of yet. But if you want to get into NIO, I think this could be a good time to buy, seeing that all these analysts are coming out with very great aggressive price targets for the company. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed what I had for you in this one, please comment down below your thoughts on what you are doing with your NIO position, and please go down and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. It really helps me get this information out to as many people as possible, and you get to stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks and learn about a couple of new ones. I hope you guys had a really profitable trading week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.